welcome back to the channel. Today I have another spicy special video for you guys, but it's not a haul. Today we're going to be stepping outside our comfort zone, doing something a little different. I hope you guys like it. Today we're going to be doing my everyday makeup routine. So I don't wear makeup. I had to think about it a little bit, y'all, because I really don't wear makeup every day. But when I do wear makeup, this is usually the look I go for. A real soft pink lip with a liner, a little glitter on the eyes, a little brown to make it pop. That's me, okay? I don't do too much. I'm really into like seamless makeup. I'm really into real soft, lightweight makeup. Anybody who has ever got their makeup done by me knows for a fact that's what I do. So if you guys are interested in getting this look, honey, you see me, then stay tuned and we're gonna get right into this look. Okay, y'all, so let's get right into this face. I'm not gonna lie, y'all, I did my brows off camera. They were giving me a little bit of trouble, so if y'all want to see like a full brow tutorial, I can do that. And I do have my mirror right here, so I'm looking down. So now we're gonna get into this primer. I use this to prime my face, that Mario Badescu, y'all know about that. If y'all don't, they sell this at Ulta. It is 12 something. And then I also use this right here. This is a beauty supply store product. If y'all know of any good primers that y'all want to put me on, but I really just use this to prime my face. Too much, but we want it to seep in there. So that's a little hack. Y'all take y'all primer, put it on the end of your wet sponge and kind of just dab it into your skin. It just makes all of the difference. Yeah. Okay. Now that we're all primed up, let's go in with our foundation. I use the All Day Luminous Weightless Foundation by NARS. NARS is the shit. I know y'all heard about NARS, okay? I know y'all heard about NARS. So I like to use my beauty blender. For under eyes, we're gonna go in with the Tarte Tape Shape. This is in the color Tan Deep Sand 475, Tan Deep Sand 475, whatever. Just go back in with something else, but get you a dense brush and blend, baby. Blend. So now that that's blended, I like to go in with my contour color, and this is the NYX Concealer Correct Contour Palette. And then I'll go in with my lighter shade, because if you look, it's light, but it's not light. So I'll go in with a sort of lighter color under the eyes. Okay, so I shouldn't, this is not the brush to be using, y'all. It's okay though. I could not find my contour brush, but it's okay, because we still gonna blend anyways, okay? We're still gonna blend. But like I was saying, I just like real seamless looking makeup. So I'm just particular, you know, ain't nothing wrong with it. I'm just particular. I ain't judging you if that's how you do your makeup, girl, okay? Get it done by any means necessary, okay? Get it done. All right, so just gonna go back in with this brush. It's a little broke, don't judge, it's broke. But and then we're gonna go in with my dense brush to blend out the concealer, and then we're gonna use this brush to blend out the contour. So
blend, you want to go in little small circles when doing this. Little small circles. And I like to blend all the way up into the hair. All the way up. Little small circles, and you want to blend up into the hair. That's what you want to do. And here you want to go in blending in little small circles as well. Bomb. Okay. You want to go over here. We're blending again. And this is really just an angled brush, y'all. It's broken. I don't know if you can tell, but it's an angled brush. And I'm not sure what company I got it from, but I've been
now we're going to just blend this out, blend it into what we just did. Tap, tap, tap. Literally tap, tap, tap in. Okay. So now let's go back in with our beauty blender and just blend the rest. Blend this part, blend it out, blend, make sure it blends right into that contour. No harsh. Okay, this is what I use to bake my face. I also use this. This is a beauty supply store product. And it's just like more of a reddish tone. And this is more of a white. And I always mix them. Like, I have to mix my stuff. When putting them on, I always like to mix it. Just... I like to go all the way up over here because really I'm about to do my eyeshadow too, so I like to take it and put it all the way up there. Y'all see how that my bake? Okay, I don't know if y'all can see, but I still have a little bake on my face. So while I'm doing my eyeshadow, I usually just let that bake on my face. We're gonna go in with this eyeshadow. Ooh, sorry, but it's the Renaissance palette by Anastasia, the Modern Renaissance palette. I'm just gonna do a slight look. This is one of my favorite palettes, y'all. Like I said, I don't really get all into the eyeshadow looks. I'm not a perfectionist on my eyeshadow. I'm really just more of a face, a brow girl, a lash girl, you know what I'm saying? But I'm working on my eye looks, so let's see what we can do. I'm just do something simple like a little brown I'm just going in with this this color right here. I'm sorry, I did not show y'all. I'm going in with this color, and that's gonna be my transition color. I just went in with the transition color. Now let's go in with this and wipe off. This is the MAC Mineralized Skin Finish, and it's in the color Dark Golden. So we're just gonna go in with a fluffy brush and remove all that powder. I didn't put much powder on, as y'all can see. Whatever powder I had just kind of seeped into my skin. All right, you don't need much of this. Y'all see how like
this shows up. You really just want to pat that into your outer eye. And really, it's just like a pat, like a small pat. If you can see on this side, that's what I did. I'm about to like try and blend it out.
All right, so now I'm blending. I'm going back in with this color right here and just making it not as harsh with that brown that I just put on. I don't want it to be so harsh, so I'm gonna just go back in and like try and clean up the edges. And then I'm gonna take the brown again and pat some. Y'all can see that? Okay. You know, it's not too bad. It ain't the world's best eyeshadow, but you know, it looked decent. It looked decent to me. All right. So now that we have that, I'm going to do a small little glitter. So I'm gonna go in with this palette. This is Physics Formula. I think they sell these at like CVS if y'all interested in this. Alright, now we have this contour palette. It's the contour kit by Anastasia. I'm gonna go in with this color and this color. Y'all don't mind my palette. It's a little dirty, I ain't gonna lie. This color and this color just to buff out my contour a little bit. Take this brush, buff it out, make it a little darker, make it a little more potent on my face. A little more potent, a little more potent. All right, now for the mascara, and then we're going to add eyelashes. So I'm going to add my eyelashes off camera, and I will be back with you guys for the final look. Okay, y'all, so my eyelashes are applied. I like real, you know, small. Sometimes I'll do dramatic lashes, but I thought these were real good for a natural look. I love a natural look. I can appreciate a natural look anytime. So now I'm just gonna use this to go in on my bottom lashes, kind of pull those out a little bit. Like I said, I'm going for a natural look, so I'm not really even going to just, this is an everyday, like this is a time. I'm gonna go in with this Moonchild Anastasia Beverly Hills palette just to finish up on the highlight part of it. Let's see. Oh, all my brushes fell, y'all. Great. Okay, so I can't find my highlight brush, so I'm gonna use this. We're gonna spray a little bit of this on there, and then we'll just go in right on the nose right here. I'm gonna use this color. It's called Pink Heart, and this is just a highlight palette, y'all. You know, it just gets to give me a little highlight, you know what I'm saying? Okay, y'all, so I did add my little lip, and it's a real neutral lip. Just lined it with a darker brown and put on some lip gloss, and this is the gloss that I use. It is the Butter Gloss. I've been looking for this forever. Finally walked up on it at my local Ulta. But yes, y'all, this is the final look. And like I said, this is a very neutral look, a very everyday type of look. You know, it's nothing too major. More videos like this from me on my channel, then y'all just let me know down below in the comments. I would love to do more makeup videos and show y'all more of my makeup side. So y'all just let me know down in the comments. I love you all. You guys stay prayed up, stay blessed, and I will see y'all in my next video.